When comparing ZipBooks versus Patriot Accounting, you might be wondering which software offers better customer support. Both of these platforms have their strengths, but there's a lot to consider when it comes to support, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to help you make the right choice for your business. First things first, ZipBooks offers a variety of support options. You can reach out via email, and they have an extensive knowledge base and FAQs that can help resolve most issues on your own. However, it's important to note that the response time from ZipBooks can sometimes be slower than expected, especially when it comes to more complex issues. And while they do have a live chat feature, it's not available all the time, so you may find yourself waiting longer than you'd like for an immediate response. Next thing, let's talk about Patriot Accounting. Patriot's customer support is often praised for being more responsive. They offer live chat, email support, and phone support, which is a huge bonus for businesses that prefer real-time assistance. Many users have reported that Patriot's support team is easy to reach and typically responds quickly. However, while their phone support is a great feature, it's worth noting that there have been a few complaints about the quality of the support they provide over the phone. Some customers have mentioned that while their issues get resolved, they don't always feel like they're getting a personalized experience. Now, when comparing ZipBooks versus Patriot Accounting in terms of overall support experience, it's clear that Patriot comes out on top in responsiveness, offering more real-time communication options, especially with their phone support. But this doesn't mean ZipBooks is lacking altogether. If you prefer using resources like self-help guides or don't mind waiting a little longer for a response, ZipBooks can still be a good option. The fourth thing to consider is the level of expertise of the support staff. Both ZipBooks and Patriot Accounting claim to provide knowledgeable support, but the reality is that sometimes support staff can be more helpful than others. ZipBooks, for example, might not always provide as in-depth technical assistance as Patriot, particularly when you're dealing with complicated accounting issues. If you're someone who values a deep understanding of your software, this is an important factor to keep in mind. Next, let's briefly talk about the community aspect. ZipBooks has an online community and forums where users can share experiences and solutions, which is helpful for those who prefer peer-to-peer support. However, Patriot doesn't have as strong of a community, which could leave some users feeling isolated when they need quick advice or insight from other customers. The last thing is cost. ZipBooks offers a free version of their software, which is a great option for those on a tight budget. However, if you're using the paid version, their support might not be as fast as what you would get with Patriot. Patriot's customer support is arguably more reliable, especially if you go for their paid plans. But if cost is a major consideration, ZipBooks' free plan might still be worth exploring, even if it means you're trading off on customer service speed. So, what's the takeaway here? Both ZipBooks and Patriot Accounting offer decent customer support, but when it comes down to responsiveness and real-time assistance, Patriot Accounting definitely has the upper hand. If you're looking for a more personalized and timely customer support experience, you might want to give Patriot a try. That said, after trying both ZipBooks and Patriot myself, I'd recommend checking out an alternative if customer support is your top priority. The software mentioned in this video is solid, but if you want something better, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.